tayo sa turon eating contest with banana. I'm sorry, mango pala to. With mango, green mango. Na naging hilo na. Charot. Meron tayong coffee. It's a native coffee. Yan. This one, the purple kamote. Sweet kamote. Now we're playing the video of Ma'am Shen, Music Salon. These are pictures for today. Ma'am Shen. Yan. Playing her video while eating kamote. The video is, the title of the video is Never, my God, Never, my God, Today. Okay, it's a holy piano cover. So, eating and watching Ma'am Shen video. So, shout out Ma'am Shen. Thank you always for the super thanks you give to my channel. It's very big help. Because I have an asthma. Yan. I'm unpacking my maintenance for asthma. I'm an asthmatic person. So the money you give us will help me to buy medicine, and it's 1,000 Philippine money every month. So thank you, big help for my maintenance. So right now we have also playing the video of Pink Lover 96. Pink 96 Lover. Yan. Please help Miss Pink Lover 96 to reach watts hour, 4,000 watts hour, guys. Ito yung channel niya. So palagi ko naman sinashare yung videos nila para makuha niyo yung link. And there, you can also find their channel in the comment section. They always watch my video. Yan. Kaya makukuha nyo, you can find their channel in my comment section sa video. And shout out also to Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Yan. And also I'm playing right now the new video of Kabira Naji. Yan. Food blogger yan. Please don't visit don't visit don't forget to visit her channel, Kabira Naji, Fatima Pink Lover, and Shen Music Salon. Yeah, Ma'am Shen. So there's a problem with my laptop. So yun, manta na. So yan muna si Ma'am Shen. Okay. Next, meron din tayong picture na iba. Naglo-loading pa siya. Okay. Kuha niya rin, si Drone from Life. So, Shen Music, Piano Salon, Drone from Life. Yan. Ito pala si Drone from Life. Yan. So, shout out Drone from Life. Hash Redin, Drone from Life. This one. Okay. That's the video. Tapos, the title is Hash Redeem, Drawn from Life. Yan. Okay. Sira yung sounds natin. Okay. Yan, no? This is the latest video of Drawn from Life. Yan. Sa concept. Then next. Okay. Kain na tayo. Masarap yung purple. This one, the purple one, kamote. Mayroon na siyang mga ants. Tawag mo tayo. Sarap ng turon. So, so na si ma'am. Ito yung second pictures. First is drawn from life. Yan. And then, we have also, the second is honey pie. Second pictures natin si honey pie. Yan, honey pie vlog. Si drawn from life, honey pie, and si Ma'am Shen. Drawn from life, honey pie, and si Ma'am Shen. Okay. Yan. Loading pa si Ma'am Honey Pie. So, let's paano tayo? Shout out tayo kay Duger Beauty Clothes. Yan. La 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 la. Shout out also to Mr. Blackman, new member. New subscriber. Oops, nasira yung ko, music. Kailangan ng i-off. Sorry guys, ayan talaga. Kasi Shin Piano Salon. Ayan, Ma'am Shin, shout out. What happened to my laptop? Hindi na yata ma-mute yan ha. Turn from life, shout out. Maganda yung background music natin, sira. It's Honey Pie, yan. So, wala na. Nasira na yung sounds ko. Yan. Namatay na. So, kina si Ma'am, ito na. So, Shin Music Salon, John from Life, Ma'am Honey Pie Vlog. Yan ang ating mga pictures for today. At saka meron pang isa si Bibs PH. Yan. Bibs PH is from Bohol. Yan, hindi pa nakita. Loading pa. Kaya mo tayo. Yun na. Ito yung si Ma'am Bibs. Ma'am Honey Pie, ano? Enjoy your life, yan. Yan ang vlog niya. So, magpiplay yan si Shen Music Salon, si Don from Life, si Honey Pie. Saka si kanang Babes PH, yan. Medyo mabagal kasi maluma na. Ito na, lumabas na si Ma'am. So yan si Ma'am Babes PH. Yan. So don't forget to watch her video palagi. Yan. Spaghetti yung bagong vlog niya, spaghetti. So yan. I-play mo natin ang video ha. So shout out Ma'am Babes PH. Kayong apat. Shen Music Salon, Don from Life, Honey Pie, and then Babes PH. And ni-play ko yung video mo ngayon. So loading, mamaya ng konti. Yan. Madali lang pala. Yan. So siya ang pinakalas na play ko, si Ma'am Bibs pala. Shout out mga tayo dito. Shout out tayo kay Ma'am Jocelyn Barlam. Yan. Si Ernest Word, shout out. Okay. Bicolana, Las Vegas. Tapos na to na picture ko na siya. So si Jenny Production, shout out. Ito si Bossing, si DJM Mix Vlog. Ito yung bagong vlog niya, Papawis. Simula ng Papawis yan. Okay. Dison Bertolay, shout out.